Hey, Russ Whitney here to answer your latest Reddit questions. This is interesting. By the way, if you don't know who I am, I've been doing real estate training for years. There is some great information and training for free if you just simply go to russwhitney.com. Let me answer this. He says, I know I'm looking at this rather simplistically and not factoring in the eventual equity from rents. Well, you don't get equity from rents, but anyway, rents paying the mortgage, or tax deductions, or appreciation. Okay, those make sense. But it seems like the numbers don't add up if I have to do extensive repairs. Any thoughts? Yeah. What you have to do is, when you make the offer on the property, what I would do is you put a contingency in there, contingent upon my partner's approval within 5 days or 10 days, contingent upon me getting a contractor to give me a contractor's estimate for the repairs. And that'll give you 7 to 10 days or whatever it needs. And if the more disrepair the property's in, the longer you can stick out that offer. This gives you time, so you're not locked into buying. So it's very simple. What you do is you look at your offer price, add in the contractor estimate for repairs. So let's say it's 100 grand, the repairs are 10, so now you have 110 into it. Now you need a comparable. What are properties in good shape? Like you're going to put this property into, what are they selling for in that area? Any realtor can give you those comps, so you don't have to guess. And so, and again, a caveat: not what are they selling for? What are they listed for? Excuse me. What are they selling for? Does that make sense? So comps are what's sold, not what's listed. So very simple mathematical formula. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, walk away. In my younger years, when I first got started, I was very hungry. If I could go in and do a rehab, whether it was a single family or duplex, and I could make $3,500 on it, let's say on a resale, I would do it today, or let me say not today, but as I matured and started making more money, that number would be 10 grand. I wouldn't waste my time on a rehab if I couldn't walk away with 10 grand. And I was doing sometimes 2, 3, 4 at a time, after I'd got some experience. So anyway, I hope that answers your question.